In the heart of a vast jungle, there lived a mighty lion named Sharu. Sharu was the strongest animal in the jungle, and he knew it. His powerful roar would echo through the forest, sending chills down the spines of all creatures. Every animal feared him, even the largest of buffaloes would bow before him. But Sharu was not only strong, he was also full of pride. He believed no one in the jungle was as important or as powerful as him. He would strut around the jungle, scaring the small animals for fun and mocking others. He believed he ruled over everything and everyone. One hot afternoon, Sharu was walking near a waterhole when he spotted an old elephant named Badal. Badal was wise, calm, and respected by all animals for his knowledge and kindness. He was big, but he never used his strength to hurt anyone. Sharu sneered when he saw Badal. Why does everyone respect this slow and wrinkled creature?